Today we're going to show you how to make a classic gin and tonic. Now I prefer a gin that has a little bit more floral flavor to it. So something that comes like in this blue bottle is fantastic. Now the first thing I'm going to say is you're going to want to chill your glass. And here I've just got regular cubes in it today. I'm just going to set that down for a moment because what we need to do before we do anything is we wash our lime, which I have already done, and then we're going to take and we're going to roll it with our palm. Back and forth, pressing our weight on it. And what we're doing is we're releasing all those juices from inside that pulp. And this helps to give you a little more lime flavor. I happen to like a limey gin and tonic. Now, my husband, he'll drink it just straight. He could care less about the lime part, but to me, that makes the whole drink. All right, now that it has a little bit of give to it, you can see if I press on it, I can see that it has some give. I'm going to come in with my knife. And, smells so good already. All right. I'm going to want to use at least that much lime in my drink. Next up, we're going to measure. Now, I like a double, so I'm going to make 2 pours of this, 2 jiggers full. That's going to be uno. And yes, I'm serving it in a margarita glass. I think it looks pretty. Dos. Now see, that's a lot of gin. Now we're going to take the tonic water. And by the way, you can use diet or regular tonic water, depending. And we're going to fill the rest of the glass with the tonic water. And now we're going to bring in our lime. Let's go ahead and squeeze that lime. And I'm not going to leave it there. I'm going to rim my glass with that lime. Now, normally I would take a beautiful little cocktail stirrer spoon and stir it. But guess what? I can just do this with my knife. I don't have to mess up another dish. All right, what we're going to do now is give it a little taste. That is a beautiful, beautiful gin and tonic right there. And as I sip it down, if I want to add more of my mixture, I can. But I think it's perfect just the way it is. Cheers.